Hi, I'm John from Venus Theme, and today we'd like to introduce you to the best layout builder for Magento. It will have you building any layout in minutes. Basically, a layout is built from blocks, and each block contains rows and columns. Content in those rows and columns are loaded from assigned modules. So let's get started. From your Magento backend setting, go to Venus Theme, Venus Builder, Manage Builder. And in this panel, you're going to see all your created profiles. Each profile is a page built from the tool. Hit the Add New Item to create a brand new profile. For block information, add general information about the profile. And when you add your block title, the block code is auto-generated, but you can change it if you want. Next, enable the profile. Then select customer groups that you want the profile to be published for. We'll select all for this tutorial. Okay, now open the design block to build the layout. Hit the button to add a new block, then add a new column in that block, and then click right here to assign a widget to the column. Here is a list of all the supported widgets. There's also a filter to help make finding a widget easier. Okay, select the widget. And here is the widget setting panel. You can configure it any way you want and then hit Insert Widget. All right, now let's create another block and add 3 columns to the block. And this time we're going to change the column size by enabling the grid view. This is Bootstrap grid system. It's really visual. And let's change it to 363. Once done, just disable the grid view to clean up the panel. And now assign a widget for each of the columns. We're going to use a single image widget for all 3 columns. You can duplicate any widget, change its position, or edit its settings. Well done. Let's create another block, and this time we'll use a product carousel widget. Using the widget filter, there it is, VES Products Carousel. Let's select it, and in the widget setting, configure it to display as you want. Perfect. Now you can change the position of the blocks. Move it right to the place you want. And you can do the same with columns and widgets. Hit the button to open the edit settings of the column. You can add a class, set it to full width or not. And there are just lots of settings. And do the same for the block. Now replicate the process to create other blocks you want. And here is what our complete layout that we built looks like. Now the next step is to configure the layout for responsiveness. Here are the supported layouts. We have large, medium, small, and extra small. Select a responsive layout and let's try the tablet layout. And let's change the width of the columns just a little bit. Hit the Save button, and we're done with layout building. And now it's time to show the layout on your front page. So go to CMS and Pages. You can create a new page or use an existing page here. We're going to use Home Page. Assign the Store View, then move to the Content tab. Now remove the current widget, then select another widget. And make sure you select the VES Block Builder widget type. And then select the profile that we just created. And hit Insert Widget. Finally, we save and go out to see our great front page. Amazing! It all works like a charm. You can change the layout or the style anytime you want using the Layout Builder. This also brings us to the end of the video overview. For more details, check us out at venustheme.com. Thanks for watching.